This is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. If you're interested in learning basic trading terminology, viewing tutorials, or live day trades, consider subscribing to the channel for more content. I'm currently watching Facebook here. I am looking at a potential breakout play here, and I'm looking to purchase 5 call contracts anticipating a move to the upside. I am now in the trade. I bought 5 contracts at 90 cents, and you can see here we're getting quite a bit of volume here. And I think we're going to get a nice move to the upside, so this is just going to be a quick scalp trade here. I have 1 contract left here, and I'm just about to sell it here at my target area of around 171. So I am all out of the trade here. Facebook is beginning to get a bit overextended, so I would expect a pullback before continuation to the upside here. So I am all out for a $160 profit, which equated to a 35% gain here in about 3 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this short live trade, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.